you.
Hey guys,
I'm single, lady.
Yep.
with someone from another channel.
Yep. NerdWorldCreations. We're having a little channel collision here.
Link in the description.
No,
Link in the
that goes
description.
there.
Yep.
Don't sass me, Joaquin.
Shut up.
So,
Ah.
this is kind of a nice thing. We have no idea who this
What?
pervert is right next to me. Some type of.
Yay!
So, yeah. Sorry, Steven couldn't be with me, or Blake either. But they're both gone on for some reasons that I cannot say right now.
Same thing
They're,
with Dan.
they're choking the chicken right now.
So, yeah, I'm in my habitat. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
What?
frick.
Okay, I got
Put it
this.
out. Okay. Okay, Duke, you can be in charge of putting the tree out of fire. No, I'm just gonna cover.
Spawns and she's like,
Gonna cover it.
"Hello."
Oh.
Yeah. Hi. What are you doing?
Making a cobblestone generator, basically.
You just got wood.
I just got wood.
Joaquin, did you?
Oh, I got an achievement for
Here,
getting.
I'm gonna go ahead and make a. Don't push me off, Maggie.
I'm not. God.
Okay.
This
just
island
As you
ain't-
did clarify, Duke is Bob.
Don't stop pushing me,
Epic.
you woman.
Joaquin is epic. I'm
Yes, I am.
Noobish, I'm Noobish, and Maggie's I love unicorns.
No. We're supposed to collect the saplings that fall off.
I got one
And
right here.
Duke
I got
is Bob the Box.
All right, it's good.
Okay. Duke is Bob the Boxman.
I just
Okay.
said that. Thank you.
Oh no, you bastard! The fuck is wrong with you?
What is
Dude,
that
even
wall,
this
dude?
character
You're like,
died.
You fell off.
Joaquin, Duke pushed me off, and I had the sapling.
You had the what?
I had the
Dude,
sapling. and
what?
Duke pushed me off.
All right, what kind of sapling? Duke, stop fucking with everybody.
heck?
Send me any sapling. I don't care.
All right, here, back off, Duke, because he's gonna piss me off, and I have a bunch of items.
I'm so mad.
See how he likes it. See how he likes. I'm gonna push him off.
No, stop.
Stop like a little
Okay,
girl.
we need to be friendly. This is a very hostile environment. And why are there two suns?
I got my lag.
You
Who has random crafting tables? What's with the random crafting tables?
Crafting tables, why?
I just threw away all my crafting tables.
You're cheating so bad.
The title of the episode is going to be "Raining Crafting Tables."
I made it rain, and not in a good way. You know what?
God.
Screw this. I'm just gonna do a little.
Do a little
Okay,
dance.
after if you push a pumpkin with this thing.
Falcon punch.
I'm just
cheating so much. I'm gonna
getting
stop you.
some I'm just getting some food so I won't die in the future.
Here, de-op him, Jake. Jake, just
Dance,
de-op.
I'm not opt.
You don't know how?
Joaquin, you're the only person who can de-op me.
Ah, just make obsidian.
Yeah, oh my.
You just turn into
You fucking ruined it. You need to die.
Joaquin, opt me. Just use the server thing. Just use the server thing. and opt me.
You know you guys can have unlimited food because that's fair because like you can't do anything else.
We jump off, bitch.
Joaquin, watch your language.
Watch your language.
Oh my dude!
Dude. Oh my god, you pissed me off too.
Dare push
No,
oh
I just saw you. You
off.
walked off. You
You
walked
dare
off.
push the almighty Link off the island. What is wrong with you? You do not push Link off the island. Link pushes you off the island.
You're not Chuck Norris.
This isn't Mexico all over again, okay, Joaquin?
Mexico.
I'm on fire! I'm on fire! I'm on fire! I'm on fire!
You all
That's bad. You
Don't you dare catch me up.
help us, Stu!
I'm on fire too!
Help me, Duke! I love you!
Someone get rid of the lava! Maggie, you're just standing there!
If I
wrong with you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm
I
good.
can never trust women. Oh my gosh.
Amy just walked off.
I hate you guys so much.
This is so terrible.
Okay, guys, this is gonna be the shortest
Oh
episode
my
we've
gosh.
had.